Hello guys, and you probably are wondering who is this guy. This is Lobo, and he is the character that we will do entirely in Blender in this course. He is also a bit crazy, so don't think of not taking this course, because he might get angry. In this course you will get over 30 hours of real-time modeling and sculpting in Blender, with the purpose of having a ready model for rendering or 3D printing. Now again, you probably are wondering who is this guy. His name is Nico, and he is a 3D artist and educator with over 15 years in the game industry. He has over 20,000 students in his online courses of 3D character creation and anatomy. And also a YouTube channel with over 50,000 subscribers. The amazing concept for this character is made by the incredible artist Dario Jelusic. In the course, we will start a bit differently with gathering our references needed for the character creation and analyzing our concept. We will then start modeling the head, the teeth and the tongue. Then we will model the body, arms and legs, where I will speak about the anatomy and shapes of those body parts. After, we will make the basic shape of the dog and continue with the clothes. We will do Lobo's belt, jacket, potnik and pants. A hard surface modeling will be next, when we'll make the grenade and the weapon. Then we will jump to do some knee armor, shoelaces and all kinds of elements this character has on himself, and there will be some modeling and sculpting, mark my word. I will then, with great pleasure, make one of the skulls on his belt and then make the Batman mask, the Wonder Woman tiara and a Flash helmet. I just love sculpting skulls. Then we will make some chains, which will be also an interesting part of our course. Dog chain, neck chain and the arm chain. While making all the features of this character, I will always talk and show you how to model it to be 3D printer friendly, with bigger and thicker elements and overall attention to the detail. After we work for a few more hours detailing and finishing Lobo, we will rig the arms and hands and make the pose from the concept. Then we will do some more cleaning and adjusting until we are ready to call it done. And for last, we will do an interesting render with the help of Photoshop and a turntable with the help of Blender himself. This course is absolutely made for intermediate Blender users. And although I will talk you through every step I do in it, for the beginners I will recommend my Absolute Beginners 3D Character in Blender course to do first and then go back to this one. So if you kinda like this crazy and wild looking character and you want to see the whole process and even make it yourself, I would like to say that you might want to check out this course. So, this course is made for absolute Blender beginners. God damn it. This course is made absolutely This course is made absolutely for Blender intermediate users. Okay. This course is made for absolutely beginner fuck. This course is absolutely made for intermediate Blender users. Okay. This course is made for absolute This course is made for absolute intermediate. No. This course is absolutely made for intermediate Blender users.